Na kuuliza, je, wamjua mwanawe rais mwenda zake mzee Mwai Kibaki aliyezaliwa nje ya ndoa binti yake Winfred Wangui Kibaki? Leo tunaangazia stori ya binti huyu ambaye aliweza kuwa ni product ama ni baraka ya ndoa ya pili ya rais Mwai Kibaki na mkewe Wangui Kibaki ambaye alikuwa mbunge wa eneo bunge la Othaya alipokuwa kiongozi mzee Mwai Kibaki. Winfred Wangui Kibaki, the controversial daughter of the former president, late President Mwai Kibaki. Winfred Wangui is the daughter to former Othaya Member of Parliament and businesswoman Mary Wamboi. She was a former official in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs under her father's. She worked in the ministry when her father was the president of the Republic of Kenya. Now, in regards to her being involved in her father's business, this is as far as it goes, because Winfred hasn't been seen or heard in her father's business since then, and she had to step down from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs after the involvement and the story that arose with her being involved with one of the Atur brothers, the criminal brothers that lit up the headlines and, let me say, social media back in the days in the year 2005, after it was revealed that Winfred was in a relationship with one of them. Now, getting back to Wangui's background, Wangui is the daughter to Mary Wamboi and the ex-Othaya MP, and was reportedly involved romantically with the former and late President Mwai Kibaki, sparking speculations that Wangui was the only daughter of the former head of state with Mary Wamboi in their relationship. During an interview with Easy FM in 2007, Wangui said that her full name is Winfred Wangui Mwai Kibaki. However, she declined to discuss her relationship with the former first family, saying that those who know the truth will stay with the truth. Though details of her whole career remain scanty, it is known that she was an official of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs during President Mwai Kibaki's reign, because Kibaki took her under his wing as a daughter and gave her a job in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, trying to grow a career politically. But in due course, he realized that she was not cut out for politics. It is through a work that she met Atur Magarian. Now, the relationship between Wangui and Atur Magarian blossomed. Wangui told AZFM in the year 2007 interview that she met the Atur brothers through a mutual friend during a holiday in Dubai in the year 2005. They interacted and later began doing business together, which she described as general trading. Their working relationship eventually blossomed into a love affair with Atur Magarian. At the time, Wangui declared a love for Magarian, stating that he was a boyfriend and that she was looking up to a future together with the criminal. Of course, if we get married, we will have children, God willing, she said. Now, that is before the scandal. The Atur brothers hit the headlines in the year 2006 when they were deported after a serious security breach at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, JKIA, when they allegedly manhandled security officers and drew guns at custom officers to avoid their luggage being checked. Wangui was one of the civil servants interdicted following the JKIA drama. She was alleged to have used her office to get protocol officers at the airport to offer VIP treatment to the Atur brothers. ODM leader Raila Odinga then subsequently claimed that they were mercenaries that had been contracted to eliminate certain opposition leaders in the country. In a report to President Kibaki, then Immigration Minister Gideon Conchela described the Atur brothers as international criminals, and that was what they were, international criminals. Because when it came out to be known and revealed in public, it was realized that the Atur brothers had escaped arrest from Dubai and Qatar, and that's why they had to seek refuge in Kenya. So they were hiding in Kenya, not because they came in as businessmen, but because they were criminals in their country, mostly in Armenia. And they found an easy way to get in through the daughter of President Mwai Kibaki, Winfred Wangui Mwai Kibaki. You know, our girls are so easy to be deceived when it comes to men of a different skin color, different from ours. Yeah, I dare say that. For now, that's what's up. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. This is the FM Show KE, and the show on air is Did You Know by me, your host, Felix Munda.